Welcome to SGS online classes. Today I Abhishek Singh going to start class 5 math assessment 1 chapter 3 operation on whole numbers part 10 framing of questions. Let us start. Exercise 3E. So student, here solution is given. See, wheat produced in 1996 is equal to 15,850 tons. Wheat produced in 1997 18 lakh tons. Increase in production, we subtract and we got this result 2,99,150 tons. So we have to frame a question for this solution. So how we can frame? Listen, I am going to write question. Wheat produced in India. You have to make your own question. Wheat produced in India. India in 1996 was 15 lakh 850 tons. The total production of wheat in the total production of wheat in 1997 increased to 18 lakh tons. Find the increase in production. Find the increase in production. Student, you can write wheat produced in Uttar Pradesh. Wheat produced in particular place you can mention in 1996 was 15,850 tons. The total production of wheat in 1997 increased to 18 lakh tons. Find the increase in production. So in this way you can frame a question. There is no foundation, but your concept should be clear what you are writing. Let's see another solution. The second solution. Greatest 7-digit number is 7 times 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 9. The smallest 7-digit number, this 10 lakh. Now difference. $89,99,999. Now we have to frame a question for this solution. So what we can write? Let us start. Write the greatest and smallest 7-digit number. Write the greatest and smallest 7-digit number. find the difference between these two. Find the difference between these two. So student, in this way we can frame question. Now third solution. Number of pages in math book was 275. Number of pages in 1250. Such books equal to 3,43,750. Now we have to frame a question. How we can frame a question? Let us start. Total number of pages in a math book is 275. Find the total number of pages in 1250 such books. Find the total number of pages in 1250 math books. 1250 math books or 1250 math books. So in this way you can frame a question. So student, part 10 framing of question completed. Thank you.